Guys, I will unbox a tripod. It has a mic and LED light. It also have a phone holder which you can put your mobile phone, and a grip tripod. You can use it for recording, vlogging. And here is a box, and it have a microphone, phone holder, LED light, USB cable, grip tripod, Bluetooth shutter, and a box and product assembly. Here is a product of tripod. First step is to grip tripod, unfold. It have 3 legs, and it is a stand of phone holder. You can fix it with a screw, and an adjustable of light. Light have 3 adjustment gears. There are 49 lights in it, and you can adjust a microphone. Microphone is included in it, and a shutter. You can use it as for vlogs and vlogs kit. It is also called vlog kit. And accessories you can see here. There are some pictures and dimensions of the book of vlogs kit, and you can see here is a very detailed as much as you can use it for office conference. And here is again a kit. It have good microphone and shutter. So I hope you like. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.